Okay. Hello, Jess and Kyle. Happy anniversary. And of course, more anniversary to come. Wow, grabe, ang tatag nyo. Kaya, wish ko lang sana huwag nyo sukuan yung isa't isa. If there are times like you feel like giving up, think of one reason why you are into that relationship. Kung bakit nasa relation kayo na yan. It's simply because you love each other. Kung bakit kayo nasa relation yan, dahil mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Kung may mga possible problems na dadating sa future, don't mind them. Kasi nga, ang rason lang is mahal niyo yung isa't isa. And, ang dami yun ng obstacles na napagdaanan, problemang nalagpasan. I hope yung obstacles, problems, and challenges is maging lakas nyo pagdating ng araw sa decision making, sa mga problemang kakaharapin pa. Kumbaga, maging, nyo sila, maging experience, mga ganun. Tapos, of course, let God guide your relationship. Kasi, if you let God guide your relationship, you know guys for sure that you're in the right path. Kapag si Lord ang hinayaan yung manguna sa relasyon nyo, alam nyo nasa tama kay landas. You're in the right track. And, yun, huwag nyo iaalis yung tiwala sa isa't isa. Magpakatatag kayo. Kasi maraming nag-inspirasyon kayo. And keep the love. Basta mahal nyo lang isa't isa. Yun lang talaga importante. Namatay na yung music ko. Yun. And ano pa sasabihin ko? Yun. Kung kailangan nyo ng kaibigan, andito lang ako. Kung kailangan nyo ng payo, I'm here as well. At kung kailangan nyo ng wow, ng words of wisdom, I'm just a chat away. And besides, I'm looking forward to see your own version of best ending ever. Yeah. Happy anniversary ulit. Bye-bye.